Hi, good evening. My name is Rasul Baksh. My father name is Haji Ali Baksh Mangareo. I study in metric class at Bright Future Public School, Amarkot. I learn English at Right Social School in Institute of English Language. It's presentation day. My presentation topic is Culture Day. Today, let's embark on a brief journey celebrate Sindhi Culture Day. Sindhi culture is a vibrant tapestry woven with tradition, warmth, hospitality, and a deep sense of community. Sindhi Culture Day observed on 1st December is a joyous occasion that showcases the essence of heritage. Picture the streets adorned with Ajrak, a traditional Sindhi fabric, men and women donning the Sindhi topi and Ajrak proudly. Music play a vital role in Sindhi culture with the soulful tunes of the Sindhi flute and the rhythmic beats of the Dullak echoing through the year during celebration dance, especially of energetic Jhumar, adds a lively touch to the festivities. Sindhi cuisine, now for its delectable flavors, offers a diverse array of dishes such as Sindhi biryani and saag. These culinary delights reflect the culture, diversity, and historical influences that have shaped Sindhi traditions. So, on Sindhi culture, let's embrace the spirit of unity, appreciate the artistry of Sindhi culture, and join hands in celebrating this colorful and dynamic heritage. Thank you.
Hello guys, good evening. My name is Mir Mohammed. My father's name Jamaluddin. I am in class study inter. I am learning English grammar, right solutions, Umarkot. Today let's embark on brief journey to celebrate Sindhi culture. Sindhi culture is vibrant chemistry woven with rich tradition, warm hospitality and deep sense of community. Sindhi Culture Day observed on December 1st is a joyous occasion that showcases the essence of Sindhi heritage. Picture the streets adorned and with Ajrak traditional Sindhi fabric and men and women donning the Sindhi topi and Ajrak proudly. Music plays a vital role in Sindhi culture with soulful tunes of the Sindhi flute and rhythmic beats of the dholak echoing thought the air during celebration dance, especially the energetic Jhumars, adds a lovely touch to the festivities. Sindhi cuisine, known for its delectable offers a diverse array of dishes such as Sindhi biryani and saag. This culinary delights reflect the cultural and diversity and historical influences that Sindhi shaped in traditions. Sindhi culture day. Let's embark the spirit of unity, appreciate and artistry Sindhi culture and join hands in celebrating this colorful and dynamic heritage. Thank you.
Hello friend, good evening and namaste. I am Tirth Kumar. I study in class first years. I am learning English language in the Right Solution Center. It's presentation day. My presentation topic is the Sindhi Culture Day. So Sindhi Culture Day to let's embark on brief journey to celebrate Sindhi Culture Day. Sindhi culture is a vibrant and tapestry warm with warm hospitality and a deep sense of community. Sindhi culture is observed on December 1st is a joins occasionally that occurrences of the Sindhi heritage. Picture the stand adorned with Ajrak, a traditional Sindhi fabric, men and women doing the Sindhi topi and Ajrak. music play a vital role in the Sindhi. Soulful tunes of the soulful tune of the Sindhi fault and thought fault and thought fault and thought beats fault and thought rhythmic beats of the dhol. The echoing thought that air duration celebration dance, especially the energetic Jhumars adds a lovely touch of the festivities. Sindhi cuisines known for its the deletables flowers offered a diverse area of the dishes such as Sindhi biryani and shag. Declining dilapidates reflect the cultural diversity and historical influence that have shaped Sindhi traditions. So on Sindhi Culture Day, let's imbibe the spirit of the unity, appreciate the artistry of Sindhi culture and join hands to celebrate these colorful and dynamic historical. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. My name is Fazil. I study in class first year. I learn English at Right Solution Institute of English Language and Computer. It's my presentation day. Today my presentation topic is Sindhi Culture Day. Today let's talk about Sindhi Culture Day. It's a special day celebrated on 1st December where we honor Sindhi tradition. Imagine the streets decorated with ajrak, a tradition, Sindhi fabric, and people proudly wearing the Sindhi topi and ajrak. In Sindhi culture, music is important. The soothing sound of the Sindhi float and the lovely beats of the dholak fill the air during celebration. The energetic Jhumar dance add excitement to the festivities. Sindhi food is delicious, offering a variety of dishes like Sindhi biryani and saag. These tasty treats show the diverse influences to the festivities, to the tradition. On Sindhi Culture Day, let's appreciate Sindhi art and culture. The celebrate this vibrant heritage. Thank you.
Name of Allah, who is the most Rahman and Rahim. Introduction, myself, I am Rafiq Bhakti from class metric. My father name Alimoh Gupti. I am learning English coaching center at Right Solution Public School. Today my presentation topic Sindhi Culture Day. Today let's take a quick trip to celebrate Sindhi Culture Day. Sindhi culture is a light, colorful, quiet, woven with the tradition, friends and with strong feelings of togetherness. Sindhi Culture Day celebrate on 1st December. Is a happy time where you see the streets with ajrak and topi. Ajrak and topi. Music is a big deal in the Sindhi culture. Imagine the sweet tones of the Sindhi future and the lovely beats of the dholak. After that, the Sindhi foods. It's something special to with the delightful dish likes to with Sindhi biryani and saag. So on Sindhi Culture Day, let's come together in this beauty of Sindh culture and celebrate this lovely and rise. Thank you.